Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Tradefox Jumper King. First, familiarize yourself with the components: the main unit, 2 jumper cables, and the charging adapter. Ensure the unit is fully charged, indicated by 4 solid blue lights. Then, connect the red clamp to your vehicle's positive battery terminal and the black clamp to the negative terminal. This initial setup is crucial for a safe and effective jump start, preparing you for the next steps. Once your connections are secure, it's time to jump start. Turn on the Jumper King unit by pressing and holding the power button for 3 seconds. Now, attempt to start your vehicle. If it doesn't start immediately, wait 30 seconds before trying again. Once your vehicle is running, disconnect the Jumper King unit within 30 seconds. Remember, quick and correct disconnection is key to a successful jump and protecting your device. Safety is paramount when working with car batteries. Always wear safety glasses and gloves to protect yourself. Crucially, never allow the red and black clamps to touch each other, as this can cause a short circuit. Do not attempt to jumpstart a severely damaged or leaking battery. Finally, store your Jumper King in a cool, dry place away from direct sunlight to ensure its longevity and readiness for future use. To keep your Jumper King ready, recharge it after every use. Always use the provided charging adapter to prevent any damage to the unit. Regularly check the cable connections for any signs of wear and tear, ensuring they remain in top condition. A fully charged unit can hold its charge for up to 6 months, so periodic checks are beneficial even when not in active use.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.